Overnice is a digital agency based in Berlin. Fairly small one, I have to say. So right now we are 5 core people, and then we have some people helping out left and right. And we focus on brand development and product development, and products meaning here web platforms, websites, apps and such.
At Overnice, I'm responsible for everything design and development-wise. That starts at UX and ends at implementation of code, actually, for a website or a product.
I'm one of the designers, junior designers at Overnice, and I handle some of their projects, from branding to UI, UX design, and I guess anything around that is what I handle.
So at Overnice, I'm responsible for strategy, concept, and text. That can be experienced when looking at Nimiq products and most of the wording that we have in there. But also, and this is what we're going to talk about later in this video here, things like product concepts, here specifically Super Simple Swap.
We mainly work with early stage high-tech startups. Usually startups that have their product figured out. They might have a product market fit already, they might already have a bit of a brand, something that is already worth showing, but usually not quite where it needs to be to go out to the world and grow. And that's when we come in and help them achieve that.
So Overnice actually got into cryptocurrencies through Nimiq. It was in 2017 when in our vicinity, in our Berlin bubble, blockchain just kept coming up. Everybody was kind of talking about it. So us being in the kind of high-tech market, we thought, okay, it's obviously something we need to check out. And then pretty much when we were just about to meet, actually one of the, I'm not going to say who, but actually a pretty high up with 0x Exchange, sat down in my shared flat kitchen to explain to us what actually blockchain was, right? How a basic proof of work blockchain works. We received for the first time word from Nimiq, and those guys that we didn't really know before were asking us if we would come to Costa Rica and contribute to this new crazy idea that they had. And yeah, we were pretty excited, obviously, right off the bat. And I think 3 weeks later, we sat in a plane to Costa Rica. And from that point on, we then completely indulged in cryptocurrency and decentralization. And yeah, it hasn't left us off the hook ever since.